Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the margins of your document created on the office.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website and select your template, and after that tap on the layout button at the top of the screen and tap on margins. Here you can select from these preset layout options. Here you can find the normal, here you can find the units in terms of top, left, bottom and right. And you can select from these options: normal, narrow, moderate, wide and office default. So if you tap on the relevant one, as you can see, the layout will be changed of the document, but you can also customize the margins by tapping on this custom margins button. Here you can set the top unit, left unit, bottom and right unit, so just feel free to size it up or down, and then tap on the OK button, and then the layout of the document will be changed automatically. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.